Welcome to 3 Tapscott St, Wishart. This massive highset home is situated just a short walk to Westfield Garden City. You're a short drive to local shopping centres like Wishart Square, Civic and 8 Mile Plains Shopping Centre. You're a short walk to bus stops via a laneway to Newnham Rd and a short stroll to Delavan St Bus Stop, which takes you to Garden City and the city. You're walking distance to a park on Ditmas St, which connects to the Bulimba Creek Bikeway, where you can go for a walk, jog, run or cycle. You also have easy access to the Pacific and Gateway motorways. This house features 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Downstairs, we have a Rumpus with split system air condition, laundry, there's a kitchen with dishwasher, split system air condition, there's a 5-burner gas cooktop, oven, rangehood and a laminate benchtop, and lots of pantry space. You've got meals, utility room or office. There's a bathroom with a toilet, shower, and also a separate toilet. You've got a living room with built-in robes and a split system air condition. You've also got your undercover outdoor entertainment area. Upstairs, we have 6 bedrooms, master with ensuite, and 3 of the bedrooms with air conditioning units. There's a main bathroom with shower, bathtub, and vanity. You've also got a separate toilet. Outside, we have 2 garden sheds, a flat backyard, there's side access, you've got 2 rainwater tanks, and you've also got a 5 kilowatt solar system with 24 panels. You've also got a solar hot water system. This is a house that's ideal for a large family, investment, or someone to run a home-based business. Secure this place before it's too late.